What's going on, everyone? Let's talk about the Nasdaq 100. Let's talk about the futures market. Let's talk about today's price action. So this morning early, we had Janet Yellen as well as Jerome Powell speaking. Then we got into the Q&A and we had some choppier markets in the better half of this day. Again, today was a little bit of a pause day. You can see today's candlestick on the daily time frame, a little bit of an indecision here. Now, normally this candlestick is signifying that there could be a short-term back test and or a pause before we continue to the upside. So this could be the start of consolidation before the next leg higher, or it could be the start of a pullback. Now, on the daily time frame, we're looking at $20,710 as our rising short-term support. That's our 5-day moving average. Essentially, we are on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-day push higher, all green candles. So would it be shocking or surprising if we had a red day or two? Probably not. So just be aware of that. Now, today's lows is matching up with this 5-day moving average. If we do break through this 5-day moving average, I would look for 7, 8 lows to hold right around that 20,571. If that does not hold, our next firm level of support is 20,427. This would actually be a healthy pullback if the market could do this. A nice little pullback into this linear regression and rising 10-day moving average. Maybe get 1 or 2 days worth of consolidation before pushing back up to the upside, and then that is where you're going to want to see those long positions start to get taken again. Now, you're going to know when to start loading up on those longs when you get 1 or 2 days worth of consolidation off of a level of support, and then you get a day that starts confirming a previous day high to the upside. That might be that indication to start getting ready to go long. So with that being said, keep an eye on that. Now, again, 20,771, because the market continues to continue to make new highs. That's also a level that we're looking at, and we do have an upper Bollinger Band sitting at 20,860, so that potentially could be the next resting area there. All in all, the main thing that I want to kind of get across to everyone is right now we are in summer trading. We are going to see a little bit more choppier environments. We are going to see lower volume, bigger range candles, okay? So take a step back. You don't need to put your foot all the way to the gas. You don't need to go on tilt. You don't need to try to make everything back because you took 1 or 2 losers off the open. Stay sticking to your rules. Stay sticking to your plan, and all will see itself through. Okay? So again, stay sticking to your rules. Stay sticking to your plan. Remember, this is not a race. The market's going to be open tomorrow. It's going to be open the next day. The biggest advice that I can give anyone is just to keep your head up, continue to focus on what got you here. Again, if you've seen a little bit of success, focus on those days, okay? So focus on those days, how they worked out. Don't focus on the day where you went on tilt and you blew up your account. Those days, we need to forget those days. We need to eliminate those days. We need to kind of put those days to the side. I would definitely focus on discipline a lot, especially in the summer. So if you do, set a rule for yourself. If I lose 2 trades, regardless of dollar amount, I'm calling it quits on the day, and force yourself to stop trading. If you have to force yourself to be uncomfortable, and you have to force yourself to do the necessary things to make it in this business. Does it suck taking 2 losses the first 20 minutes of the market open? Yes, it does. It absolutely sucks. I've been there before. Watching great setups happen without you. It feels like you're the only kid that got put on timeout at recess. But it's the necessary things that are needed to be done to make strides forward in this business. So if you did find any value from this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you guys are looking for a couple of prop firms to trade with, if you're more so of a scalper, I would recommend Apex. That link's down in the description box below. If you guys like to zone trade maybe, or you like to dollar cost average into positions, definitely go with Top Step. You can find that link down in the description box as well. My Discord and community and training lessons are also in the description box below. Again, you don't need a mentor. You don't need courses to learn how to trade. You don't need a community. But sometimes folks do better with a group of people that they can learn from. They do better with having someone kind of express knowledge. If that's someone that is you, the option is there. But again, everything that you can learn and possibly want to know is already for free online anyways. So again, it's just for added additional help. It's for added support. It's not to give you the golden spoon, right? You're going to have to learn how to do that and find that golden spoon on your own. But there's ways to kind of speed up that process of going through that scavenger hunt. So if you want to speed up the process, that option is always available to you guys. If you do not, that's completely fine as well. We're all in this business together. We're not working against each other. We're all in this business together trying to make money. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.